How are you feeling?
Nervous, excited.
Yeah, all of it?
Yeah.
Alright. How about you?
I don't know.
Alright, so we're going to go up all the way to 15,000 feet. Once we're up there, we're jumping out, okay? Ready? Alright.
It is so sweet under the sun. And even if my pocket's empty, I don't really want to go to work. No, no, no. It is so sweet under the sun. I'm gonna take my time, 'cause I don't really want to go to work. Got up this morning, look around and see the sun high. I grab my bag and take my phone. I shut the door and walk into the light. Oh yeah. And suddenly my phone is ringing. I can hear my boss shouting at me. So high I'm hypnotized. What's up is down, what's left is right. Chasing stars and holding you. I can't see the end, but we'll see it through. Times don't fly too high. Be sure to keep the ground in sight. Fly forever if you keep it tight. Love the world but keep the sky on your mind.
Hey, well done. That was super